Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab one thing, which is a SIM ejector. I have one prepared right over here. Now you can find it in the box that the device came in, or you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So once you have one of those, take off the case if you have one on your phone, and the tray is at the bottom of the phone. Now you will find something that looks like two different insert pins, pinholes. So there is one here and one here. You want to use the one closer to the edge of the phone. Push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray just pops out ever so slightly. So show that again. There we go. And from here, take out the tray, and you can see we have space for SIM card on either side and just a SIM card. So place your SIM on the tray with the chip facing upwards and then pop it back into your phone. Now the card should start working immediately once you insert it, so there we go. So I do have a pin on mine, I will need to confirm that, and then I can use my phone. So that is how you can insert your SIM card into your phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.